Hi, I'm Colin, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of the new imagePROGRAF PRO-300 A3 Plus printer from Canon. This printer replaces the current model of the Pro-10S. It is 15% smaller in footprint and comes in at a weight of approximately 14.5 kilograms. The Pro-300 uses the new Lucia Pro inks, of which there are 9 colours and 1 chrome optimizer. The ink cartridges are 40 millilitres in size, and they include the new matte black, which gives richer, deeper blacks when printing on a matte fine art paper. The maximum sheet size for the Pro-300 is A3 Plus, and conventional papers are inserted at the top tray here, whilst the heavier fine art and Baryta papers use the rear tray. In addition, for printing on CDs, there is also a multi-purpose tray at the front of the printer. Panoramic prints can be printed up to a length of 99 centimetres. The Canon Pro-300 comes with 2 new specialist media settings, one for fine art papers and one for Baryta. You access these as follows. Contained within this menu, you will also have included heavy photo paper, Baryta photo paper, premium fine art smooth, premium fine art rough, photo paper pro premium, extra heavy fine art paper and high density fine art paper. In addition, the Pro-300 also supports borderless printings for both fine art and Baryta papers. The Canon Pro-300 also has the following new features: a quicker print speed to the Pro-10S of approximately 1 minute for A3 Plus print, a new nozzle recovery system to avoid banding, a skew correction facility to avoid misfeeds, and an ink agitation system to ensure that the ink solutions are fully dispersed. Finally, connectivity is via Wi-Fi, USB or Ethernet. We at PermaJet highly recommend the Canon Pro-300 as we consider it to be head and shoulders above its nearest competitor. It produces superb results on the extensive range of PermaJet media, especially when used with custom profiles. If you have any questions or want more information on the Canon Pro-300, please give us a call on 01789 739 200 or visit permajet.com.